Hey guys, it's been a while, but I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make bagels. Yes, these delicious bagels, so easy to make, and today I'm going to show you. The first thing I'm going to do is let my yeast activate. So here you see me pour the yeast into some warm water, and I'm just going to stir that up just to get that incorporated. We're going to set that aside and let the yeast activate. In the meantime, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients together. So here I have all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and vegetable oil. I'm then going to add the activated yeast into my bowl with the rest of the ingredients. And I'm going to start mixing it with a spatula. And then later on, I'm going to switch into my KitchenAid, but you can definitely do this by hand. By the way guys, the measurements and what I used will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to look at that for everything that you'll need. So here you just see my dough hook going to work, putting that work in, feel me? So here I'm just measuring the amount of dough that I'm going to be using for each ball. And I think it was like 2 pounds, I want to say. I also did cover them and let them rise for a little bit before I did this. I just used a piping tip and just made little holes in the center, as you can see here. And I'm just going to do that to each of the little balls. As you can see here, I'm dipping a bagel into some water. It is on low. I'm just making sure that, you know, both sides are in the water. And I don't want to completely cook this. I'm just doing this for a couple of seconds actually. And then taking it off and putting it on the pan again. After I did this to each bagel, I'm going to take my egg wash and just brush a little bit on top. Here I'm showing you some everything bagel seasoning and some sesame seeds, because you know, you don't want a plain bagel. Unless you do, which is perfectly fine. You can see here I'm just sprinkling some on top. I did do like 3 sesame, 3 everything bagel, and 2 plain. After this is done, it's all ready for the oven. I did preheat my oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit and left it in there for 18 minutes. These are how your bagel should look once out of the oven. And it was that simple, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.